So let me show you how I made this yummy ofako, that's banga stew. So palm fruits, wash your palm fruits, make sure you are using a good palm fruit, cook it, put it on fire, let it get soft. Then when it's cooking, wash your proteins. I use cow skin and beef. I cooked my cow skin first before adding beef. So when my palm fruit is ready, I used mortar to pound it. So to process it, you need semi-hot water. Remove the seed, process it, double sieve it. There is always residue at the bottom of the pot, so if you don't sieve it well, the sand will jam your teeth. So for this cooking, I am using lots of natural nuts. I'm using ehuru, I'm using opei, I'm using mangara, I'm using bonga fish, I'm using fresh pepper, mackerel fish, crayfish, lots of natural spices. So in this ofako, you don't need plenty spices. Yes, so as you are cooking, you should be adjusting seasoning, but not too much. The natural spices will help bring out flavor, different build flavors that you will love. So after adding all my ingredients, I tested it and it tasted so good. So this vegetable is nchan, which is scent leaf, and ugu. I used 2 types of vegetable for this stew. So when it's ready, when it's almost ready, I added it, tested my soup, and it's ready. So you know you don't need to cook your vegetable too much. So I cooked rice to help balance the equation of the stew with fresh carrots, and this stew tasted so good. Will you be trying this stew? Will you? Thanks for watching, you all. Please subscribe, like, and share. I love you guys. Bye.